Have you ever wondered why more travelers, friends, families, or even solo adventurers are trading crowded hotels for private villa? Well, that used to be me. I wanted more than just a place to sleep. I wanted real moments, the kind you can't find in a hotel lobby line. That's when I discovered what a villa stay really means. At Villa Deluxe Paradise in Jamaica, it starts the moment you arrive. No crowds, no check-ins, just you stepping into your own private sanctuary in Discovery Bay, where the Caribbean Sea literally greets you every morning. And here is the part that no one tells you. For around $1,000 per night, yes, even with a private chef, heated pool, and your own butler, you are unlocking a whole Jamaican experience, not just a room. And it's not about the space, though yes, the king bed, rain showers, jacuzzi, lush gardens. It's the freedom to make your stay your own. I started as a guest, and now I get to host others on their journey to experience real Jamaica. Villa Deluxe isn't just a stay, it's your Jamaican dream waiting to happen. So if you're craving something different, let me show you a place where memories are made.